Assalamu alaikum. Where are you from? Can you listen to me clearly?
هلا رامي هلا أرحب. هلا رامي هلا
Are you
أرحب.
Pakistani? Pakistani? Pakistan.
سوريا.
Syria. Thank you
سوريا.
so much for joining with me. Can you speak English?
نعم أسمع صوتك.
I
نعم
have
أسمع
already followed
صوتك.
you. I have already followed you. Yeah, of course. Syria. Are you Muslim? Are you Muslim? I am Muslim. Yeah, of course. Syria. Do you live in city Damascus? Damascus. Do you live in city Damascus?
نعم نعم يجي. نعم يجي
Village
صوتك.
area. Village area. Do you live in? Okay, thank you so much. You can follow me. I have already followed you.
هلا بلورد هلا أرحب. هلا بلورد هلا أرحب.
How do you pass your pastimes? Free times. How do you pass?
هلا بلورد هلا الزعيمة كردية. هلا بلورد هلا الزعيمة كردية. هلا لميس جان.
What is your
هلا لميس جان.
favorite food?
مرحبين.
Favorite food?
مرحبين. هلا لميس جان. هلا لميس
What are
جان.
your What is your favorite food? Drinking water. Drinking. Actually,
هلا والله هلا وسهلا.
actually, can you speak?
حبيبي ياسمين أرحب. عاشق ياسمين أرحب.
Can you speak English?
جان.
Can you speak English? Please reply. Can you speak English?
هلا الهنداوي. هلا الهنداوي.
Do you know my country Bangladesh? Do you know my country Bangladesh? My country Bangladesh. I live in here in my
ما
country.
عم شوف. ما عم شوف.
Bangladesh.
ما عم اسمع صوتك. ما عم اسمع صوتك.
Okay, thank you so much. I can't speak your mother tongue. Arabic language I can't speak.
هلا بالورد هلا أرحب.
I am not
هلا
expert
بالورد
in
هلا أرحب.
Arabic language. Actually, I am from most of the people asked me,
والله ها فاتحة التحديات شو ما والله ها فاتحة التحديات شو ما اجاني بيجي
where are you from? I am from
اجاني بيجي بدعمك المشكلة اجاني بيجي بدعمك المشكلة
I am from Bangladesh. Can you listen to me?
شوف
Can you listen to me clearly?